Ingon nga ko ano. Yan na ba ko ganina. How sweet.
Uh-oh.
So, hello guys. I'm doing interview sa couple na among mga friends. Yan, visit sa mong balay. So, nangutanan ako nila if okay ra mo mag-interview nila. So, nisugot man po. So, let's see. O kanang ganahan mo nga masayod o about sa Filipina and foreigner na kuan about sa ilang mga opinion sa matag usa kay daghan na ba ni judge na mo nga siguro ko na ni mga kuan ko ni mga gold digger pero wa mo kay baw sa behind ang nga story. So kung gusto mo masayo just keep watching. So kana.
Say point of order, Mr. President.
Hello.
Hi.
Nanindot lagi ko ano.
Hello, interviewers.
Interviewer, hello.
So can I ask weird question? It's not weird but
I like weird questions.
just random question for you guys, the couple.
Ain't a couple yet.
Oh, we have a couple of years.
But you're girlfriend and boyfriend, right?
Sex to be a couple. What the hell? What? How many times? Okay, we don't know what it is.
So
Okay.
my question is for you.
Spit or swallow.
That's for her, not for me.
Yeah, me.
I love. Can you help me?
No, I can't.
do the random questions.
No.
Denisa, spit or swallow?
Swallow. I like big swallow.
That's
Beans,
nice.
swallow. You like to swallow. You don't like beans. I should like both.
She like blows.
Okay, good. Good answer. I give her 2 thumbs up.
So okay, and then my question is for you. Are you sure about Vanessa?
Are you sure about it now?
Yeah, your feelings for her.
Are you sure she's not a lady boy?
Yeah, are you sure she's not a lady boy?
Pretty sure. Yeah. 100% confirm that. You can
She
confirm.
is not a lady boy.
And you've done this confirmation in absence of alcohol.
Yep, I actually did that.
Okay.
But I wasn't.
All right. And it's good.
So good.
And she is not a lady boy.
Okay, and your feelings for her is genuine.
Oh, yes.
Buang.
Better watch it. She's getting wet.
She is beautiful girl.
So
I love this.
So if ifs and buts was candy and nuts, would every day be Christmas?
sa mukha ko rin yung pangutana.
Every day would be
Lubigan
Christmas.
ka.
Nabigan ko.
Every day is Christmas.
So,
What's that puffy thing in your
And what is that? puppy thing?
Microphone.
that's microphone.
With a hairy microphone. Okay now, serious now.
Looks like a rabbit.
So, do you have a plan to marry her?
Oh, this is
Next
for me
question,
again?
please.
It
Yeah.
depends on her.
On
It
her.
depends on
It
me.
depends on her, she says. Hello.
When are you going to propose her?
Depend on her. But
Oh, depends on her. Because I'm
You're
the one.
you're the one who's
You have
proposed to her.
propose to him.
Yeah, that's why I bought the 2 rings.
Ah, one for him?
I will
I said we
gonna
have to
propose
wait and
him.
see.
Yeah.
Instead he proposed me. I
That
will
one you
propose
put through
him.
his nose
I put
and a
here.
chain.
This
Oh,
is
okay.
this is
Yeah.
going to
Ouch.
be proposal here.
So, his answer is it depends on you.
no, my answer is yes, of course.
Yes, I'm asking when.
When?
It's
I
secret.
would like to,
Tomorrow,
When it
it's
happens.
possible.
look, I would like to be married on January 1.
Why?
Because it's a new year. It's a fucking beginning.
It's a fucking New Year.
Yeah. It's a fucking beginning. It's a new
I think you
year.
start every day with a fucking beginning.
Everything starts
Sa
with
mukha
a fucking beginning.
ko.
Okay, everything starts with a fucking beginning.
Yeah.
Ha.
Uy,
I love
interview
you.
kayo man naman. Kag-interview ari ako na ba yung interview me because you.
Oh, Denisa, are you sure about Bruce?
Oh shit, here we go.
For the first time, we've been knowing in Facebook. She contact me on Facebook. First, I don't know him really. at
So
the
far,
time.
so good.
So far, so good. Yes, good. And then yeah, I love him
Ah,
more than I
okay.
know.
Oh, more than you know. Oh, hello.
So that's very nice.
Who knows?
So Danisa, are you going to say yes if he's
If
going to
time
propose
sells,
you?
Yeah, if it,
And then you
time
got their
sells,
business.
Oh,
I don't know yet, okay?
Oh, what? You say you don't know. You said I would say yes. You said
Don't know.
You don't know?
Don't know.
She don't know. Hello.
Because I don't know really when and how. and
That's
this.
not when and how.
So you just go with the flow.
I just want to go with the flow, and if it's
Yeah, just
happen,
go
it's
with the
happen.
flow.
First, we gotta get rid
And
of
if not,
somebody.
it's not.
If I want to
Okay?
marry you, you will marry me. You know.
If it's not,
You do what
not.
you're told, goddamn.
I've been already married one time, and I'm happy with it. Okay. Big commitment is, it's not easy to.
Yeah, it's not easy. Big commitment.
You have to think about first.
What's a commitment?
Commitment.
Commitment. Like committed.
Committed on her. You committed on her, and she committed on you.
I think it's about come inward, not committed.
Well, you gotta pick the whole.
A, B, or C. Enough.
What that mean? Help me.
Oh, Danisa,
Oh, yeah.
how many foreigners did you have before you meet Bruce?
None.
None.
I mean, the one that contacting you on Facebook to ask you for, boyfriend, to be their
No.
boyfriend.
To be honest with you, because I'm a open person.
Yes.
Before I met bros at the time, there's a lot of random foreigner who been chatting on me, sending messages, and I ignore him because I ignore them. Said there's no relationship, I'm not ready because, 3 months being widow, I'm not ready to looking for a relationship because my vision is to wait till 1 year and then have relationship with foreigners.
1 year.
But that was not work.
But it didn't work out.
It's not work. It's not
Because she
work
met
out
me.
so good.
Oh, that's so good.
Because when I
Met this
not
guy.
feel with somebody, then I will not go with that.
So you're comfortable to Bruce.
When I'm comfortable with a foreign person, yes.
With
I'll
the what?
go with that.
Flower
That's what-
person.
So when you first met him for the first time, then you have a heartbeat.
Yeah, I have a big
Ding,
heart.
ding-a-ling-a-ling.
I changed her life.
My life.
Hello.
Like I said, what the heck I doing?
Hello.
Ilo is the ilo of the babae. When you
And I'm not thinking about getting married, whatever, or English, whatever. Just go with the flow. That's all I am.
Okay.
If there's nobody will propose to what?
Nobody, but there's
I don't
somebody
care.
Yeah, nobody
give a
because
shit.
somebody loves you.
Okay.
I only go with someone like
someone.
enjoying, being happy, spend time together, and
That would be me.
I have more
Think.
observing.
You've been more observing
Yes.
for him. So know each other is very important, right?
Yes,
Just like knowing him too.
that's it.
Yeah,
So he must know you better too.
Because I don't want to get married in rush, okay?
Mhm.
Because you cannot get married.
That rush man kay maybe
You don't have to. You don't have to
Russia.
hurry
You
to
don't wanna
get
get
married
married in
somebody
Russia.
when you
Bad
don't
place.
know very well. So this is me as a person.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Just like me back in the day too. It's better to know each other.
No, to be honest, I'm being hurting, okay? And maybe with my previous husband still like
I don't. Are you gonna cry? You're going to cry because you remember your husband again. My God.
Okay, it's good to remember your ex-husband. Remember the good times.
he's still part of my life.
Yes.
And nobody will detect that to me and say that to forget something.
It's good to remember
Okay,
your ex.
and that's it.
Okay, thank you for answering my question. So I have to
Well, you
answer
got one.
question for you, Danisa, again.
Again? Do you love him? Yes, I'm fucking loving him.
I can't stand this son of a bitch.
Loving forever.
But I will not gonna give 100%, like 50-50%. Because
50-50.
when I feel hurt, I gotta get fucked myself, okay?
came and get fucked myself.
I want to get a dildo for that.
So Bruce, here's question again
Okay.
that Danisa wants to know too. If you can give her a family, I mean baby.
Can I give her a family?
Yeah.
Sure.
No, my dick doesn't.
Oi!
What?
You can adopt.
I can
I will
fucking.
never ever adapt.
I
Okay.
have
But you
to,
can, that's
have
how
to
you
have
get a
new
family.
surgery and fucking fix my dick because it doesn't work so good. I
Huh?
mean, it works, but it doesn't work. You know.
He has to reverse.
Maybe she wants to. Maybe she wants to.
So
Of course, I
I
fucking want. I'm worried. Okay, I'm
Why you
worried.
worry?
I want to have family.
You want to have family?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she wants to.
You know, in the first time, and I said when my husband passed away, I said,
But-
I hope
but
I can
Paul
make
said that-
I can meet a foreigner in relationship that can give me a family in one day. Because
She-
what
she
the
was
last
with
I
Frank.
wish,
For 9 years.
and I met him, and then
Maybe
I
she had
know
no
kind
family,
of so
'cause she knew she
okay
wasn't gonna have
again.
family.
It's
And
side
if
life.
Frank would have lived for another 10, 20 years, then she would never had a family. But Frank did not.
Well, you can get a reversal.
And then that's what we're talking about. We get reversal when we
You
get.
get a reversal.
if he did that to you, maybe he's very serious about you.
Well, that's what we talk about.
Else time comes when up.
Because he said that when you adopt a baby and
That's off the not happening.
that's not happening.
She wants her own child.
She wants
I
her
can
own child.
understand that. So he can get a reversal.
And Steve said
Which
he would
Steve?
masturbate in a turkey base.
Which
I
one?
want
Which
my
fucking
own
Steve? There's
partner.
3 of them.
Because I know that some Filipina, Ate,
Steve.
some Filipina broke up their boyfriend because they can't give a baby.
But the other guys,
Yeah, something like that.
like-
I believe in that. Yes.
there's 2 guys.
But I prefer to
Rico
have action
and-
than words.
And Doc,
See?
which is the guy with the visa. She wants to have a baby, they will help her have a baby.
Mighty fucking white of him, isn't it?
There's no way I want my partner's sperm.
Little-
Like baby on me.
They don't care about my
Bruce,
sperm. They
Bruce,
care about
I learned it
fucking.
from
They
the,
care about.
I know in YouTube that there's a lot of Filipina broke up their boyfriend because they can't give them a baby.
A lot of Filipino break up with their boyfriend
Because they
can't
can-
have baby.
Because of vasectomy.
Oh, that.
And a lot of foreigners too don't like to have a baby because
I
they
don't agree with that.
they don't like responsibilities.
I accept my husband when I
Who
was.
doesn't like the girl or the boy?
The boy.
The boy don't like responsibility.
Yeah. There's a lot of
But he can't afford it.
yeah. They only want to travel, to have fun or something like that. That's what I know. As far as I know, huh?
And then
And they don't want to have a Filipina that had a baby already or they make a baby on their own because they wants to have fun. But not all foreigners because some foreigners are very responsible. Di ba, te?
and the question is,
It wasn't a question. That was a blank statement.
oh, the statement.
Yeah, that was a statement from me.
Statement. Okay. Okay.
So you're going to give her a baby?
That we were talking about having a baby.
Yes, okay.
But we have to. There's many things that have to happen first.
Yes. Yes, I know. Step by step.
Second.
Until you reach the top.
Incrementally.
All the way to the top if you want to rock and roll.
So, Bruce, she's the one.
She's the one.
I am. Alright.
My computer girl.
She's my computer girl.
You know how to do computers?
I told you about computer girl before.
You can do
You
computers.
know I told you about this computer girl. I said,
And his brain.
this
his
is my brain and my
imagination.
computer and my imagination and my world, okay? I need a girl that has very long, beautiful black hair.
You sure it's
Brown
me?
eyes.
You sure
Bruce.
it's me?
Very, very
All I
sexy
can
girl.
say is you changed a lot based of what I talked to Danisa.
Very sexy girl. Okay?
Of course, you like sexy girl. You don't like pig.
She likes sexy girl. No, listen. I like Okay, I can speak good English. Can communicate good with you. Okay.
Gulo gulo.
Communicate with you good. Okay, like
Yes.
like good English, like you understand. Okay.
Because
And we have to be on the same sheet of music. Dancing.
so you are compatible for each other, man, no?
Yes.
And
as
then-
I said to you like
Mm-mm.
2
Dancing.
hours ago.
You know, dancing. I like dancing.
Some si Zoe.
I'm a dancer now. I'm a really good dancer.
Oh, you're a dancer.
I can dance the box step and the cha-cha and the salsa. Not very good, but I can dance. Hey,
Okay.
it's kind of fun actually.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's fun. You guys should learn how to dance the box
Dude.
step.
When I was in karate school, okay,
Hoy, niya na ng kuano eh, guitar room. Joke. You're so sweet.
Yeah,
So,
we got a room once in a while.
Bruce. Bruce, this is a question for you again.
I love questions.
Yeah. Have you seen yourself with Denisa in the future with a happy family with 2 kids and I have a home and being happy together
See myself in the future with this. And 2 kids?
with 2 kids
2 kids?
or 1?
Gonna make a football.
We're gonna make a football team.
So have you seen yourself in the future like that?
From now on, I don't feel
We don't know.
it's about.
Yeah, somewhere in the future, but not really right now.
Yeah, I know not right now, but
We're talking about.
have you
I
ever
could see us being together like that.
yeah, being happy and have a home?
Not really a football team. I was a kid.
I have a hall.
Di ba being together ba? I mean being together ba?
We're gonna kick Eric the fuck out.
It's funny.
Kick Eric out nicely in a good way. With the foot of whatever. Never mind. And then we'll go from there.
Okay.
And we will build a business.
Mhm.
We build our family together the way we want to.
Yes, we did talk about it. It's all in the plan.
So Denisa,
Let's just wait and see. Like that.
Oh.
Denisa,
Tiger Boy's sleeping in there. Where's the little boy?
Denisa,
Yeah, you.
are you happy with
I
him?
am happy with him.
Very.
And as I said to you, in the room
So reverse
2
question.
hours ago, at over 2 hours, I said I'm
Reverse question. Reverse question. So have you ever seen yourself with Bruce in the future with a big happy family? Okay, she's sure about it, but Bruce, but not right now. The only answer is yes or no.
No, there's a yes, but we have to like take step by step.
Shit's gotta fall into place.
Yeah, it's a yes, but it's step by step.
Thank you so much, guys, sa inyong cooperation. Thank you so much.
You're so wonderful and beautiful. Okay, blah blah blah.
I
Now
hope.
you can delete all that shit.
Thanks. He thinks his money. He's gonna start paying me the money.
Gusto mo muto ka nga ang mga Filipina ko ng mga gold
That's
digger
why I need
No,
to
it's not.
because they
They just the story because they have a narrow,
I never was
say
intention.
that or
Well,
have
might
the
not be
narrow
the intention,
brain, okay?
But it might be the way it's
Especially
worded.
some food.
What we agree to in
Something like that.
principle and what's
So,
actually
guys, kay
written
Bona
down
mo
on
kung sa
the
ito
paper and we sign it, generally
because a
two
lot of
different
Filipino,
fucking
especially guys here in the Philippines,
no,
saying that we are gold digger and we're not beautiful because some foreigner guys like toxic beauty, like toxic beauty.
Asian people just exotic
What I'm telling you is
For
what
them.
I know.
Yeah,
Very exotic for them.
but we're not exotic. We're beautiful.
You know, at some point, you go. God bless you, Willis. God bless you, Willis. God bless you, Willis. God bless you, Willis. Whoa.
Achoo!
Manundog po kasi mga ang Uncle Bruce ha. Mag-inom. Kay mong papa po. Kay mong daddy.
Oh, oh my
Pinalag
God.
po.
God bless you, Willis. Oh. Oh, you're so funny. You are so funny. You are the funniest. Oh.
The Bruce.
Oh, God bless you, Willis. God bless you, Willis. You're so funny. But let's go ahead and do it again.
Achoo!
What? You're so funny, Willis. Wow. Are you funny? Huh? Are you funny, boy? Yes, you are funny, boy.
Achoo!
Achoo again! One more time. Achoo! Woo! God bless you, Willis. God bless you.
Oh my God. What happened?
God bless you, Willis. Spill the coke. Spill the salt.
Ito na, cut.
Oh,
Achoo!
get that one. The captain down there. Oh, up we go. Up. Willis, up. Oh. Okay, you're up. Achoo! Achoo! God bless you. Oh, look at that one.
Be careful. Do you
Achoo! God bless you.
ano to? Yeah. Oh, it's puting kayo.
Funny. You are a funny boy.
That chicken, I need to know, so I know how much chicken to buy.
Yeah, we have to know because
I think we're not expected. No. Okay.
my God, you're such pain in the ass of Uncle Bruce.
You gotta wear gloves.
What's the matter, buddy?
Bruce, you're gonna be skinny when you hold Willis for 1 year. If you're gonna be sa tawag anak, ka na magbantay ba?
Babysitter.
If you're gonna babysitter for hang for 1 year, you're gonna be skinny.
I watch Willis. He's a good boy. Willis, you're so crazy, huh? You're such a crazy boy.
Ina, Willis, sigundar ako nimo ko.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Oh, see. You hit Uncle Bruce.
Achoo!
You hit your Uncle Bruce, ha? Bantay ka na ron.
You know me. Achoo! 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 Oh, you're so good.
Pero itaas na yung buhok. Guys, ako na kayo na upaw na siya. Hello there. Hello, how are you? Oh my God, meet my baby boy and the other one is there. Look.
Peace.
Hello, that's Willis. Willis and Edward. That's my boys. Hello. Hi. Hi. So, this is my baby boy. Gipangit na anak ko. Ganina raman si mama ga-vlog-vlog, no? No? Ay, shush. Love mama. Willis, come here. Willis. Willis. Ito bata.
We go now.
Go na, Edward.
Nothing better. They say this is fuck you in Europe, and this is bad words too. So I learned a lot today, and then this one is fuck you too in US. But so guys, kung nalang ko i-advise guys, kung mo ito mong galing mong laing country, kanang dili mo basta-basta mo kuan og mga sign language kay sa ato is kini is okay, but sa adto this Hugawas it's bad. I don't know which country, but bad kuno ni nga sign apil ni siya mura kang ana. So syempre Filipino knows what sign of this one, so I'm sorry about that if na makatanaw ni nga language mon bad kuno na. So kayo no na moton mo kanang gawas na so ja inyo nang buhaton ja makakita pa inyong tagubot. So may nang nasayod mo, just sharing. I just learned that today nga ingana day na bad words na.
My little Willis, such a good boy. Poor Willis.
Ang
This one kiss.
okay guys, I hope you enjoy sa pagtanaw ng akong videos kay muli naman ko na ni sila rong taod-taod. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Ganahan mo sa akong mga videos in the future, you know, kay about cooking and cooking ra gud simple nga cook ra gud sus dili ta ingon pinasocial diha kay kuan ra di ta ka ang atong depende ra sa nahibaw-an, pero I'm sure in the future na koy nahibaw-an nga luto, so i-share po na ko ninyo. So thank you so much for watching and God bless. So thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Just love.
All love for you.
Coffee.
Okay.
Kuan
Pancakes,
kinang
rice, and coffee. We got everything.
uy makaigaw ka saan ba ni batahan ni
Stay and have where we stay last time.
Yeah.
di taho mo sige rag kuan ay sige abaw ni tuhak
Yeah.
Go over there, finish getting your drink on.
tuhi koy see you tomorrow.
In the morning, bro.
dapat magnutuo jud ka kay lisod jamo manggod.
That smells good. My friend, shit myself.
Smell sweat.
I like that. I like that smell.
Smell sweat. See you tomorrow.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Step on
Well,
it.
it's
Oh.
Create for that one. Step on-
Willis, bye bye. Bye bye your uncle and aunt.
You'll see them tomorrow. They'll
You'll
be
see.
back tomorrow morning.
Yeah, bye bye. Na bye bye. Na bye bye. Say bye bye to them. Go. Yeah, bye bye. They're going home. They're going at the hotel.
Willis, see you. Bye bye. Okay.
Na.
Alligator.
Bye.
Bye.
Na bye na. Bye bye na. Be careful na. Be careful.
Buckethead,
Bucket-
you go out that gate, I'm going to bust your ass.
Bucket head, dali. Kay bucket head ko na. You have to be careful.
Man, that's hopping man. Put spit into. Pull the mask off the old wrong ranger. So you don't mess around
Ouch.
with Willis. Right, Willis?
Ouch! Willis! Anak, labaw po ni abaw ni mo. And nothing better. Maybe. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Di na kay bawt eh. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Be careful. Kung ikaw, nakubog na kabuang.
Go get your spot.
Go get your spot. Ah. Let's go inside. Come here. Let's go inside. Guys, meet our Mimi. He just have a circumcise. Circumcise? Ha? Gituli ka? No! Yung pirahan siya